Alright, this is station 51. I'm gonna see if we can even get our camera in here and just the grease line. You can see all the grease buildup that's on the side of the pipe. This is before putting the jetter through here. Definitely got a whole bunch of grease logs in here for sure. Alright, so that's pre-jet. Got a lot of grease built up on the camera itself.